Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to activate and use your Cash App card before it arrives in the mail. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, make sure your Cash App is updated to the latest version and that your account is fully verified. Once that is done, open the app and tap on the card icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the Cash Card section. If your account is eligible and verified, you will see the option to request a Cash App card. Go ahead and complete the card request process. After requesting the card, Cash App may instantly provide you with a virtual version of your Cash Card. This virtual card includes the same card number, expiration date, and security code as the physical card that will later arrive in the mail. To access your virtual card details, return to the card section and tap on the image of your card. Next, tap the three dots located in the top right corner. From the menu, select View Card Details. You may be asked to confirm your identity using your PIN, Face ID, or Touch ID before continuing. Once verified, you will be able to see your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. You can now use your virtual Cash App card for online purchases just like a regular debit or credit card. Simply enter the card details during checkout on websites or apps that accept card payments. Keep in mind that your Cash App card must be activated for transactions to work properly. In many cases, if the virtual card appears in your account immediately after requesting it, the card is already activated automatically. However, if you do not see the card section or cannot access your card details, your account may still need verification or the request may not have been completed successfully. In that situation, contacting Cash App support can help you check your account status. Also, make sure you have enough balance available in your Cash App account because the virtual card uses funds directly from your Cash App balance. If there is not enough money in the account, the transaction may be declined. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.